Kublai pi baro shakatup Khubor jungi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san Shillong. In wengno ia ke load shedding ni ke jing penip light babon kenta ha ke Jylla. Hier ke dor umpiang petrol shaka prapsan tingka prapun riu naya. Dang hap up ia ke rai jang project approval board ban penkiu tulop nong hikai SSA. Bat penshisha banglale kanu-kanu ke kampersha ia ke jat benriu nganumi pertheshu ba arden basayomot. Diminta ngin pai shiki Khubor bakambanya. Habakren shiki lak pathai Khubor minta ke janmin umintri rangba ke Jylla ukon rat ke sangma ulayathu banda keliang ke cabinet hadin bala perkhat sanibha kila Shillong ya karai ban pinhiar ya kedor jang ke upniang petrol naga khandai phuai tingka shaka prapsan tingka prapun riu naya
rupees per liter for petrol, and in Shillong the price for diesel is 84.23 rupees per liter. Keeping this aspect in mind and the fact that consumers are being affected, and in spite of the fact that state is facing a lot of financial issues, and the VAT that we have collected from petrol and diesel has helped the state in these periods of COVID-19 that we have faced and the challenges we have faced. The government of Meghalaya has decided that we will be reducing the VAT for petrol and for diesel both. The reduction for petrol, which currently is at 31.62% or 17.60 per liter, will now be reduced to 20% or 15 rupees per liter, whichever is higher. This would mean that the price of petrol in Meghalaya, in Shillong, would reduce from 91.26 rupees to 85.86 rupees. A reduction of approximately 6 rupees. And if you were to include the earlier 2 rupees that we have already reduced, it would come up to almost 7.4 rupees per liter in Shillong, and respectively in other districts also the impact will be, especially in Ribhoy, the impact will be accordingly felt. The details of the pricing and the chart, I will circulate it after this press conference. Apart from petrol, in diesel, the VAT structure, which is currently at 22.95% or 12 rupees per liter, whichever is higher, will now be reduced to 12% or 9 rupees per liter, whichever is higher, which would mean that diesel would cost from 84.23 rupees in Shillong would now be down to 79.13, a reduction of approximately 5 rupees in diesel. And if you were to include the 2 rupees that was done initially, that would be approximately 7 rupees. So both prices of diesel and petrol will be reduced by approximately 7 rupees. And this is being done primarily to ensure that the consumers are not affected by the high prices. So in order to give some relief to the consumers in the state, this is being done. And also, you have noticed that in the past, we have always maintained the competitive pricing with Guwahati and with Assam in order to ensure that our sales are not affected. So we are hopeful that with this, our sales also will go up, and we will be able to make up some of the losses in the taxes that we may have due to the reduction of the prices in both petrol and diesel.
Habakren halor ka load shedding ni kajing penip light babun kenta ha ke Jylla ukan rat ke sangma ulaong baya kini kajing penip light bun kenta ru larai ban wengno hadin arpasau kenta nadu bapenmi ya kani ke Khubor.
So with these words, once again, I'd like to inform everyone that the entire load shedding that is there within the next 24 hours, as I said. So it could be before also, it could be just about 24 hours, but within 24 hours, we will see that this entire load shedding will be reduced. So this requires some official communication also, as well as some technical work that has to be done. So it may, as I say, take may not take immediate effect, but I'm hopeful that within the next 24 hours, as I said, the decision has been made and communicated, and we've also got the approval from Power Grid, and we're hopeful that within the next 24 hours, this also issue will be resolved.
Minta kasngi ka khanriu tarik urumpang 6,000 arpuway nakaliang kinong hikai SSE kila penlong ya ka press conference hakaba kila pentip patba ya ka jingtmu ka sorkat ban penkiu ya ka tulop kinong hikai SSE kiba hikai ya ki lower primary but upper primary. Habakren Shikilat Pathai Khubor unong yalam ka Meghalaya ASHA School Association uba Aristotle Rimbai ulayathu baya kani kajing menjur ka sorkar ka long hadin kajing khot yakren u Director of School and Literacy u Ambrose CH Marak. Uba Aristotle ulayathu ru ba ka sorkar jilla kan haban up ya kajing menjur ka Project Approval Board jong ka Ministry of Human Resources Development jong ka sorkar India shwaban penkiu tulop ya kinohikai SSA ka balong khat 6,000 sanspa saphuai ngut kinohikai school SSA ki bakentup ya ki bihikai haki school SSA lower primary but upper primary.
Education Department ulayathu yangi ba Nakaliang Education Department kalap thai uban penkre ya proposal bat unwan ra ya kani ka proposal hapo jong kani ka executive committee jong ka simam ka ban salong ha ubnai March. Bat hakani ka executive committee kin sa ayak approval. Bat hadin bala yo ayak approval kuma amne kin sa pat chapo Ministry of Education Government of India ban yo ya ka jimenjur naka Project Approval Board. Kata kalong ka ba nongkong ka ba nakaliang jong ka asosyon ngi kwa ban pensingaw Shafi kaba arpan nakaliang jongi asosyon kabami khmat ikinong hikai SSA hapo ka Jylla Meghalaya ni penpau ya ka jisungo ya director jo ka School Education and Literacy jo Meghalaya balong ro state project director ba ula shimkhya ya kani ka jingdawa jongi patkum juro yo Education Minister isalak ben rumbui ba ila consider biang ya kani ka jingdawa jo ka seng ban pentrekam ya ka salary structure bat kum juru ban kentiu ya ka tulop jong kinohikai SSA badon hapo ka Jylla Meghalaya kumba ka 6,000 sanspa saukuwe ngut kebalai pat nagaling jungi ka asosyon ngibo ka jing kerpat ya boro kinohikai SSA hapo ka Jylla Meghalaya bakin yaisha shipor bat ka association kat ba nagaling jong ka government kadang penkre hakabay de berkini ki proposal patkum juru ban wanra hapo ka executive committee jong ka simam ban yo ayak approval patkum juru ban pha chapo ka Ministry of Education Government of India ban yo ayak ka jing menjur na ka Project Approval Board kita
Uba Arden basayomot ular ong balada don mano bala ban pensisha ya kanu kam kabalong persya ya kajat benriu onomi pertheshu ban kren bau ya kajat benriu. Uba Arden ulong ya kini habakren bet kinong tho Khubor ha Shillong Press Club mentak sngi khan riu tarik urumpang 6,000 arpuway ban pensya ya kajing keno ke HYC Soyang Circle bah kapor balong CMU ka KHADC kala ai jingbit ekibar Jylla ban tangjat kasi. Ulong balada kadon kabakum kani lekse kadai tang kajing bakla ya kaba nakaliang jong shim latip AA ulapan pauru kajing sngosi bekinong yalam ke HYC Soyang kila kentho wat ya upadas uba umdei ba ulong tang unong yalam niam Henry udeiru uba ya kajat benriu bat uba tip bahaya keriti kedustur jong kajat benriu hakazuk kapor ula ai por shita yau ya ke HYC Soyong bekin pensisha halor kani kajing tangjat badai mau kum UCM uba lasya banle
tengah syukwa khana bagi pada jong kari kentin ba ita irang ba silbunus ngi lingdo iba kini ki khana ki pen pau iba sheme ki benta ban tangjat ide mamangi ka jet berebor ko ngi tip i kum i father si ma e father singi ude wei naki nongelam niam ki ba pau hagani gri bar prege jet bere ko ji imdei tang unongelam niam hendrei ideiru uba e ya ka jet bere ba dema i ibla krensha ka jet bere hakmat ka niam hadi tengah training semua tu aduk kanu ke jadi jat real jong di orang ba nong elam ji ubri ru unong elam niam udeiru ubri ubatti pai ke riti ke dustur jong ka jai ri khasi ngai ledi nganam nut ban kam try le ni ban ko banga khamtip manga bani I tinamar kata kada ban sei ka kerteng ke jong I ban keno lese ngaso kalau ka bakala bat nagaleng ka jang ngam ngek bat ngam thrai ba ma I kum uta ubriu rang ba tumen uba I ya ka jai riu unong elam niam bat ubatti bai griti ke dusu inle ya kono no kam ka belum persya ya ka jai riu khasi ke jing kata ka baning kok ya ka banga kwa ban pensai hakani kapor ka pemerintah ngaso tu bakini ki kena kim tip ru wat tangi I ide we na kata raw kila ong irang ba silbenus manu bentik larang isi ong irang ba silbenus kajai beri borok we ketip I kum I farasi mo borok manu bentik I farasi pilih sekendom hasor borok kitip lut bagi tip lut yo sinyang benhei bo mi rang ba ulano nam ta kajai beri ko jingi bat ngasno kalong ka bamde yang I bangin shu ong kat ya karnyot yo farasi ban shipin kaptang irang ba silvanus singiling do lese ka ba ka belak benong ka kerteng ka bangim bun kinum sotu kinum te ringi sobat david itu ngangam dai u catholic nrei ngakhot I parar singi mar nga burom yu kum nongelam nga burom yu kum u rirang ba juga jek bru ba I ka jek bru bat nga burom yu kum buri bati u shampang u khrau prakha den mar kata ngasong ni dai ban ai ya kata ka burom ka ba borok ni khot besi kidai ban wan shakmat daga jing pinshisha kidai ban pinshisha ban de uba arden uba lale jubor penun kam bakala ya office ka usong ku chief executive ban ai jai khasi ya ki pamde khasi taka ka dei ke jing pinsha ka bangakwa ban pinsha ya ki pai ba khamtam ya ki parado ki parasna mo ki baling ba ka dei ka khubor don chibun ki bala pha I ke message ki jungki ki bala kli kumno butu ka khubor kli inem don kam ban pensha hoi nga tip don chibun ki bam priang namar haba kila bot dien bahai ke jing trai kam ke jan nam ta ka jabel kinum nge bangani le ka bokum kata tenri le se kala manu ke jing bakala ke jing trai kam ha ka nukur kom ki bakala ka council ya kata ngangan namla abangan shimi ke jing ke kli tenri ke e ke bangati kana kalong ba ka council ka discouncil ka klembu ya kata ka subject bantang jat bantang ya ki dakhar ki bamde khasi ban pan kala jat khasi kam lo ko besuk bat kam don kum kata ngamnget bandon munu wat na ki staff jo ka discouncil ki banut banle kum ta te phi ka jingkran jigitu ki khna ka thobek ma ukhnam jong ki thobek ya ngale se nganum krani ki wei ki bami kerteng ka thobek ngana ma ki pin pau ki da sei ka kerteng jonga u arden mela besaiman but ka jingkran ka chiki ka thau ka pen pau ba ki don kata ka ki kno ba le se de ka por jung ba arden ka ja ka ni ka jing tangja I ki khar na kata ka raw le se ki pen I ki kren mo tin ri ka I ka bangadon banong hangi pi kamut tangbang ade u chief executive member jong ka council ngan haban tiplut ye ki jinge jong ka council baro ka council ka don u chief executive member ka don ki executive member ki ba in charge ki ba pe ya ki tnak ba pe ka por kan batai ba ngan sakren ye ka I ka ba ki don kamban le namar la daki ki la tho ban kno la kumba nga ngale jubor nga penun kam jubor ye kata ka kam kum CM ban penung jai kasi jubor yenunu da ka jintip ka jang ni ladang tip ban ngale jubor le si nyuma ki don ka haf ban kan tho ni kalong shabana ke bangila ban tim bat ka tum ga jingtip ka jangaru ngam tharai ba kan don ka jing tangjat ya git khar ba kin long khasi
Uba Arden basayomod unong mikmat berim kanong krem constituency ulong bekiseng jonggi kali kamai khamtam kitaksi haba kilayo katni kajing kanshan barat ba ne kipat nyong shong shnong jong kajilla kimdei shu ban pindik ne le mon ye kipat ba ulong ru ba anda ka sarkar kala pediang ye kajing dawa jongki bat ki e kinyat bet nyo kinong ye lam jong kiseng kidei ban aji kai bat kintui ki driver ba kidei ban buram ye kipat ba
mo kali kamai khamtam kajing kan tu na kaleng ka jwa kalong pet kat ni kalayo e kajing karshan na kaleng ji ngil ai ke jing kersan ina kentu ki pai ba nomor kalong ka mat ka badai jingki ke jingki kalong ka badonore mereka wei pat ka bang ko ban kentu ki ba onda ki ki na bet ka sarkar kala pediang kan hapan pediang ya ka jing dawa ka jingki ka basong ne ka jing kentu pat na kaleng ka jma ka baki babon ki pensno bangi hapan kren ki kalong kin hap ban kren kin hapan limba ka association ka jingki ban pensno tho ye ki driver nongnya kali kamai ba kimdei pat ban le klem akor ban haras yaki passenger don bun ki boot ka jing le klem akor ka jing le mon ka jing bom tre jungki mo ban le chaka jaka ka baki passenger ki nongshong kali ki kwa te kani kadai ban long da kumoi pa ka bangi khmi ti bakin pintu jo ya boro bakin yo bakin ai ka jing shakri ka ban punhun yu pa ba mo nadu ka tin ka thlik ka baki kran le se ki kali nadu ka jingle ka jingwan bakin de ban jit ka tang shaka baki kimon makatar ka de ka hui ka bapulong ki babon bakin kinum smutana ya ki kali kamai babon tingi ko ba makiru kin nang ni shikma habangi mil ai ka jingkashan kiru nang ni shmat kin ai ka jingshakri ka bajanai ba ka jingshakri ka bapaka ya ki pai ba khamtam ya ki passenger ki bapanan kam ya ki ni ki kali kamai
Bada kitu ki khubor ngila poi shak bakut tat hadu bengine shem biang khublei shibon.